Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me today. This is the Holy Stone HS420. We're going to go over everything that's laid out on the table for you. You don't get a power bank, but you get the idea. You have 4 propellers, 2 are prop A's, 2 are prop B's. You get 3 batteries, one's in the aircraft right now. And you have 2 chargers to charge these 2 batteries at the same time. And you have 1 controller, a spanner propeller tool that can also be used to take off the arms of the props here. And you have a micro precision Phillips screwdriver. You have a red and green indicator, 60 full minutes to charge 1 battery from 5 volts, 0.5 amps to 2.0 amps. You can use any type of power bank and you'll be good to go. The battery's in the drone. It comes out very easy. You just basically slide out and you get your fingers underneath here. You hear it snap out. And to put a new battery in, you just line it up basically the same way and slide it on. Now on the back of the drone, you have an on and off button. A long press will turn it on and the LED light indicator as well. This is the front of the drone. It has a 90-degree camera that tilts. And we're not going to be showing that in this video. But you have the 2 fronts and the 2 rear. You have prop A's and prop B's, vice versa. This is your auto takeoff, auto land, and emergency shutdown. This is your photo and this is your video. Long press for video. This is your headless mode and this is your trim. Long press for your trim. Long press with the on button to change from mode B to mode A. This is your auto rotate, and this is long press your auto circle. If you press in on the joystick and go in a direction, you're going to do a flip. Inside the controller would be 4 LED indicators, your high speed and low speed, and your on and off button. On the back of the transmitter is going to be where your batteries are. 3 AAA batteries, not included. This is the locked thumb wheel. It does not move. This is the controller for your mini HS420 drone. Let's turn the drone on by a long press. We have a red indicator blinking. Let's turn the transmitter on. We are now 100% pairing. We want to make sure we pair by going up and down. If you take note, we have a red light in the back and a white light in the front. If we look on the bottom of the drone, we don't have any lights at all. On the transmitter, we have 4 green indicators for battery. They're not seen when the cover is closed. And if this runs low, the drone will blink. The transmitter will beep, 1 beep per minute. We are just about ready to fly, but before we fly, every single time you're going to go down and towards this way. That drone is now calibrated. The gyro is calibrated. It is faulted to 0. To calibrate our drone in every single flight, it's going to be down and to the right. Normally when we do our 0 trimming, it's down and to the opposite way. And this doesn't have it. We'll find that information out later. If I hit the auto takeoff, there we go. We can auto land just like that. Now the white is forward, the red is back. They say that you can throw this. It's a little scary at the first. Now we're going to go for a flight. That is a funnel. That is the rotation for me. And auto rotation is super fast. Now if I want to do the auto circle, there you go. I could go up, I could cancel. If I want to do a flip, all I do is keep it low, press the button, and there's the flip. Now I am drifting, a long press, keep it in, and you can do your trim. Hold it in and you're centered. Now if I want to control my speed and change it, I go to the left and I am much slower. I was flying at full speed. I like to fly at a slow speed in the house. I'm about 50 feet, my distance I need to be. Ooh, I hit. I didn't crash. Thank you for the propellers. Now the thing I like about this drone is the auto throw. That is neat, man. So in order for the auto throw to work, your hand has to be underneath. And when it's underneath, it will detect. I can grab it, and if I crash, it will shut off. When I'm finished, it doesn't matter if I shut the drone off first and the transmitter last. They're both shut off. This is an awesome mini drone. It does like it's supposed to do. It's a little noisy, not super loud, but it does fly well. We're going to have to go outside and see how much fun we can have during daytime. I like a brighter light so I can see a little bit further. It's a little dull indeed, and it is very easy to get up and go. This little drone will amaze you. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Holystone HS420, an awesome little drone. We're battery low, as you can hear. Don't fly on a windy day. Have a great day.